Hello and what's up, this is K3D. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create this amazing title, this amazing 3D text. So I used Blender to create this amazing text. Yeah, let's hop right into the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Let's hop right into Blender 3D. So now in Blender, delete the default cube by pressing X, Shift A to import your text. Let's scale a bit to something like this. Edit mode, you can type whatever text you want, something like this. Yeah, let me scale down to something like this. Press Ctrl Alt 0 for the center camera, then press N to lock the camera in the side view panel. Let's go into the animation panel and see. Let's go get some good fonts. This is good. Let's extrude to something like this. Let's go back and Shift D to duplicate and get another text. Okay, let's first set up our camera, to something like this. Let's go to the rendered view and first see how it looks. I think this looks great. Okay, let's get our sun and make a proper lighting to something like this. Let's make the radius to 3. Grab the sun and make it, duplicate it 3 times, whichever times you want. Okay, this looks great. Let's duplicate this, bring it down, tab to edit mode, Shift D to duplicate another one here, to something like this. This is okay. Let me grab it here and Shift D to duplicate. This looks great. Now it's time to duplicate another duplicate to something like this. This is good. Now what we're going to do is to duplicate each text one by one so that we get some good layers laid. And don't forget to get the project files linked in the description. You can go in the description and get the project files. Okay, let's go grab this also, Shift D and make the depth a bit high, bring it backwards. Shift D to duplicate and bring it backwards, make it its depth to something like that. Just follow along. Yes, I think here this one is good. This looks good. Let's go to the font view. Bring this to something like this and this to something like this. Bring it up. And this also. This looks great. It's time to do our materials. Let's first import a plane and bring it backwards to give it a background. We shall give it some color. Let's go to the material view and see what we can get. Let's bring this and give it some colors. Follow along. Let's go to the shader view. Let's first give this some material. We shall be using a color ramp to give it some good materials, some good looking materials. Let's put this color to the base. Let's try to put more layers and see. Put this up. Let's make so many different colors and try to check and see which looks better. It's time. Ctrl T to grab this and put it here. This looks great. Let's duplicate the color and create it into also this second text, and this also. We shall be checking and see what looks better. Just do it. Anyway, let's go. Now here you see we have like 4 color points. Let's try to create some color variation so that it may look more better. Yeah, to something like this. You can tweak it in your own way and see how that works for you, but for now I won't be on that. Just follow along and try to replicate what I do and make your own good materials. You may be having so many ideas more than what I am doing right now. Okay, this also looks great. Yeah, this also looks great, but I think we should make it more dark. Yeah, this looks great. This looks great for me. This works for me. Let me change it to something like this. Yeah, this looks great. Don't forget, the project files are linked in the description. You can get them, you can download them and enjoy. It's kind of like a template, yeah, for educational purpose. It's linked down below. You may go and download the project files and enjoy. Yeah, let's go to the tutorial now. I think this looks great. Let's create colors to the font, to the main text. Let's be tweaking. This looks great. Yeah, let's go to the another one and grab this color and grab this also, put some colors and grab this. For now I'm not doing it perfect. You may be having so many ideas other than me. We are all learning. Yeah, let me give the background some color. I think this looks great. This looks great. This looks great. Let me give it also this material. Yeah, this will work. This will work. What else? Let me grab this one and put it here. Let me bring it. Let me get an area light. I need an area light so that I can give it some headlights. Bring it and put it here. Okay, this looks great. Let me put it here. Let me give it a power of maybe 6. Yeah, 8 will work. 8 is good. This looks great. Let me bring it here and duplicate it maybe one more time, I think. Yeah, put it here and put it also here and put it also here. Yeah, follow along guys. It's Kavuma, or you can call me K3D. I always drop Blender tutorials on my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and like my videos. You can drop your comment. Yeah, let's make the community better. Okay, this looks great. This looks nice. Let me try to go back and tweak some colors and see whichever looks better. So far the tutorial is done. This is just a beginner based tutorial. Yeah, I was just showing you how you can customize some good text into Blender and make some good graphics for your projects. For anything, you can put this on eBay and sell it, or you can put this on Amazon and sell it, or Etsy maybe you can sell it. Yeah, but anyway, that's it guys for today. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping tutorials each and every week. Yeah, the project files are linked in description. It's still K3D.